All right, here we are, and what is this called?
Robinson Nature Preserve.
Robinson Nature Preserve. It's really cool. Florida parks blow Virginia's parks away. This place has, I don't know how many trails, but you can see it goes through the mangrove swamps. And there's fishing, kayaks you can rent or bring your own. The Tampa Bay is right there. So we're down by the bay right now. And we're gonna see if I can do this in the sand without crashing. Oh, little squirrely. But yeah, the little scenic overlook. Come out here and have a picnic. This is like one of those rubber playground, rubber mulch paths. Pretty interesting. Yeah, it's just like mangroves. Creek right there. So you can paddle all the way around this thing. Here's our first armadillo. Look at him digging in the dirt, man. He's a good digger. You see the dirt fly? Don't mind us, buddy.
That's funny. They're supposed to have someone know what to.
Oh, I'm not going to eat it or lick it. Doesn't look like he's afraid of people. Oh, man, they're faster than I thought. So they don't need to roll up after all.